Are you a budding medical student or a curious learner? Join us on this insightful ride. Our first stop is telemedicine in critical care. Remote monitoring and consultations are playing a vital role, especially in emergency situations, ensuring timely and life-saving interventions. Minimally invasive cardiac procedures. These techniques are advancing rapidly, allowing for complex cardiac surgeries with smaller incisions, shorter recovery times, and improved patient outcomes. Artificial intelligence, our third point of exploration, is revolutionizing patient data analysis and diagnosis of heart conditions. It's not just enhancing care, it's redefining it. "3D printing for cardiac surgery." This groundbreaking technology is optimizing pre-surgical planning, creating patient-specific models, and perfecting procedures like heart valve replacements. Transcatheter aortic valve replacement is changing the game for patients with aortic valve stenosis, minimizing the need for open heart surgery. Extracorporeal membrane oxygenation provide life-saving heart and lung support for critically ill patients, ensuring recovery or successful organ transplants. Remote monitoring devices. These wearable and implantable technologies enable continuous tracking of cardiac patients, ensuring early intervention in case of issues. Nanotechnology in drug delivery takes center stage by making drug delivery for heart conditions more precise and efficient, minimizing side effects and enhancing efficacy. Advanced techniques like MRI and CT scans provide detailed and clear images of the heart, aiding in accurate diagnosis and treatment planning. These innovations are shaping the future of cardiology, offering hope, efficiency, and improved patient outcomes. Whether you're a student or a healthcare enthusiast, consider these advancements as a pathway to a brighter and healthier future. Your curiosity and dedication can drive these innovations further, ultimately benefiting countless lives. Join the revolution in cardiology.